Hello guys, if you want to earn more and more money, you must have to join any affiliate network and promote their products. The process is very simple. I will show you in this course. So follow my instructions. There are so many affiliate networks, but among them some are popular. They are clickbank.com, jviju.com, maxbounty.com, markethealth.com, etc. Okay, let's see them. This is clickbank.com. Clickbank is an online retailer with a global presence providing their clients with secure payment processing, reliable tracking and payouts, and an extensive affiliate network. They bring together the innovative and exciting world of Clickbank vendors with the engaging and evolving world of Clickbank affiliates. It is actually for digital products as like cooking recipes, dating tips, health and beauty, e-commerce solution, etc. Clickbank provides high commission to their affiliate. Okay, this is markethealth.com. Market Health is for health and beauty products. If you are interested in health and beauty niche, then you can work here. This is jviju.com. jviju.com is also a platform for digital products. They have no option for pioneer payment. They have PayPal and others. It is also a big platform. You can join here. This is maxbounty.com. Maxbounty is a big platform. Signing up process is very hard. They do not accept everybody's application. First time you don't need to apply here. At a time when you will become expert in affiliate marketing, then you can apply here. For signing up on Clickbank, you have to click here, create account. For signing up, you have to fill up all the details. Personal information, banking information, and next is account information. Okay, there is preferred language, country, first name, last name, street address, postal code, city, phone number, email address, and then next step. I have created an account on clickbank.com yesterday, so I am not creating it now. On jviju.com, you have to click free sign up. Then register for a free account. Legal full name, email address, password, confirm password, and here is your country. It is very simple. Then you have to agree with them. Then you have to click register. And Max Bounty is a very difficult process. When you will become expert in affiliate marketing, then you can apply for an account in maxbounty.com. Okay, I have created two accounts and one of them is clickbank.com and another is markethealth.com. You can also sign up on jviju.com. It is exactly depends on you where you want to work. Okay, now I am signing in to my Clickbank account. Look, it is Clickbank's dashboard. If you want to go on marketplace, let's see. It is the marketplace. You have to choose any category. Suppose art and entertainment as seen on TV, betting system, business investing, computers and internet, employment and jobs, education, cooking food and wine, e-business and e-marketing. Okay, I am clicking here, affiliate marketing. Look, here are the products. This is a product and this is also a product and there are many products. Okay, this is $471, this is $162 and this is $57. How to promote these products? Okay, you have to click here, promote. Pop-up has come. Okay, you have to click generate hope link. Look, here is the affiliate link. You have to promote this link. Just copy your affiliate link and you can save your link, and then you have to promote this link. But the question is how you can promote your affiliate products. There are many options for promoting products, and you can promote your product free, and there are also paid versions. The free platform is Facebook. You can promote your affiliate product on Facebook. Facebook is a big platform. You can get huge traffic from Facebook. For promoting products on Facebook, you must have a Facebook page. You can also promote your products on another Facebook group, but if you have a Facebook page, it will much better. Okay, in the next lecture, I will show you how to create a Facebook page, and then I will show you how to promote your product on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching my video.